Mike Burgoyne here with Mexico Real Estate Solutions. I don't have my gimbal in my hand today, but I'm in a really nice location. If you like action, you want an incredible vacation property, this video might be just right for you. On my left used to be the Grand Hyatt. And there goes a noisy electric vehicle from CFE. Used to be the Grand Hyatt. Now it is Devotion by Live Aqua. One block behind that is your street to Mamita's Beach, the most popular beach club in Playa del Carmen. And now I'm on 24th Street, walking up towards a condo we have listed for sale, a building called Nolita. Nolita is a boutique building, maybe only a dozen units, on the corner of 5th Avenue and 24th Street. Windows have been recently upgraded. That's kind of a trick here. If you're going to be where the action is, you're going to want a hurricane grade windows to keep the street noise out. It's an active little corner. Got a great restaurant bar downstairs across the street. One of the best restaurants, in my opinion. Vaca Gaucha has been there for years and years, across kitty corner from you. Let's take a look. This actually, before I do that, this property, I'll tell you, over 1,200 square feet, under $300,000. HOA about $300 a month. Entrance is right here, Nolita. I'll show you 5th Avenue corner. Morning color and white. In our description, I'll try and put the comparisons for that. All more than $300,000. No looking at the corner unit. Up here, they have the common area rooftop. Let's go and take a look. So if I did not do the introduction already, this is Mike Burgoyne with Mexico Real Estate Solutions. And great condo for vacation living, vacation property, investment property, full-time living, part-time living, snowbirds. I am across the street and just upstairs from a great restaurant, Italian here, Argentinian, Vaca Gaucha there. You've got a gym upstairs from Vaca Gaucha. 5th Avenue goes directly across my plane here. And we are a 4 or 5 minute walk to the sandy beach, and Mamita's Beach, in fact, most popular beach club in Playa del Carmen. That is this location. Now let's show you the apartment. Oh, it's a hot one. I am melting out here. Let's go inside. Come on in. So I've known this building for a few years. It's been probably 4 or 5 years since I've been inside a unit. But one thing that stands out for me is that I love, it's just a welcome, open, inviting kitchen, but I love this living space layout. You can go with a smaller table underneath your ceiling fan here. You've got plenty of room for a ginormous TV on this wall if that's what you like to do. Great big sectional sofa. We've got the hurricane shutters closed here. To really keep the daylight out, keep the temperature down inside this place. There are no renters this week, but this is an active Airbnb property you can find online. I was just sitting outside in the terrace here. Plenty of room. You could add dining space if that's what you want to do. Sliding glass doors on the right to second bedroom, primary bedroom. Glass entrance door here. Directly downstairs, we get the white car parked. There's a fun restaurant bar there, karaoke, things like that in the evening. Vaca Gaucha, like I say, great Argentinian, some of the best steak in town for sure. Upstairs from there, you've got a gym. The morning folk walking to the beach, walking with their coffees, bread deliveries. Italian place across the street here. And 5th Avenue, if you don't know, is pedestrian only. Got to come check this out if you don't know Playa del Carmen. 5th Avenue is the heart of this town. Of course, we get air conditioning units in the living space and both bedrooms. The full guest bath here, walk-in shower, which is great. And then look at your kitchen, fridge here. You've got in-suite laundry, even though it probably costs you $4 a load, $3 a load for wash and fold. So 2 double beds in here, twin beds, double beds, built-in closet, of course, AC unit. You're wired for if you want to put a TV on the wall. And then primary bedroom, of course, with ensuite bath, double sinks, tub and shower here. Built-in closets, again, nice storage space, good king size bed here, and access to the terrace once more. If you don't like, some people are not going to want a tub. If it's a vacation rental, just consider somebody might have an infant, toddler, or something like that wants a tub at the end of a beach day. If you don't want it, it's okay. I've got contractors that can come in, pull this out over the weekend. You'll have a brand new, beautiful walk-in shower. That's really it. If you didn't catch at the beginning of the video, the price is under 300 grand. Your HOA today is approximately 6,000 pesos per month, which is inexpensive, maybe $300 US plus or minus 10, 15 bucks. Property taxes are under $400 a year. I think they were 7,500 pesos. And your location is unbelievable. So this is a super easy rental, a super nice place to live. And I'll sit here and wait for you to call or message me and come see it. There is a common area rooftop. I'm sorry, they're doing some work up there today, so it does not look very sexy, but there is a common area rooftop pool. You're across the street from a gym, so really everything you need is here. We'll talk to you soon.